history of the English language and literature. Unit 3 South Slavic language is this branch include blocked Mandaeans, Serbians, Croatian and Slavic. These languages are considered to be dialects of one another, such as Serbian and Croatian, Macedonians and Bulgarian, or even Bosnians and Serbian, or Montenegrins and Serbian, or Montenegrin. They all are South Slavic languages, and a lot of them are intelligible in order to be considered dialects of one another. Nevertheless, these Slavic languages are very rich in history, and they have developed, which is very unique in Eastern Europe and the other regions. They are similar yet different from each other. Let use now discuss the Western extension of the Indo-European family of languages. The Central Western group of Indo-European family of languages. Greek had many dialects in the past. A written history of Greek is old, and 30,000 Greek was widespread in the Peloponnesian Peninsula, the Aegean and its vicinity, and the southern end of the Balkans. The earliest surviving written evidence of a Greek language is Mycenaean. It was spoken by the Mycenaean civilization. Many found of clay tablets and ceramic vessels on the isle of Crete. Mycenaeans did not have a standard alphabet symbol, but a lens B script. The earliest alphabetical inscriptions have been dated back to the early 8th century BC. This was probably the time when the Homer's speak the Iliad and the Odyssey reached their percent from Italic. The Italic branch was predominant in the Italic Peninsula. The Italic peoples were originally from Italy. They entered Italic throughout the Alps somewhere during 1000 BC. They gradually moved south, where this group is usually divided into two groups. The first group include the ancient Italic language and dialects that were once spoken in Italy of that time. Latin, Phoenicians, and Greek and Oceans were the main dialects of this language. Classification from Latin derived. The second group of language, Roman language, which in turn give birth to a second group of Italic subfamilies. Comparison: Catholic, Sardinian, Proto-Greece, Italic, French, Occasion, Romance, rather Romanic, and Spanish. Celtic. The Celtic branch contains two sub-branches, mainly continuously Celtic and insular Celtic. Somewhere about 600 BC, Celtic-speaking tribes had expelled from southern Germany, Austria, and the Western Republic, and in almost all directions to France belongs Spain and the British Isles. Germanic. The Germanic branch is classified into their sub-branches, including East Germanic, North Germanic, and West Germanic. Many varieties of Old Norse were spoken by most Vikings. Native Norse pre-Celtic Germanic mythology and folklore have been preserved in Old Norse in a dialect named Old Iceland. The modern survivors of the West Germanic sub-branch include Dutch, English, French, and Yiddish. Will dance process in Icelandic, Norway, and Sweden are survivors of the North Germanic branch. Let use sum up. In this unit, we discussed the meaning and definition of the word language. We also took a brief account of the Indo-European family of language, its Eastern and Western group, and the major language of this group. In the next unit, we will study the origin of the English language in details. Best learning outcomes. It is expressed that after reading the unit, you should be able to define the language and understanding its beginning. Memories. You should be able to know the history and various branches of Indo-European family of language.